How to put location on story on Snapchat. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app. Now go ahead and take a snap. Then tap on the filter option. Now you should find the location option over here. If you don't, tap on the search bar and simply search for location over here. Then once you have found the location filter, simply tap on that and enter your location. If you're still not able to find it, then the next thing you want to do is head over to your device settings. Then tap on apps and then tap on Snapchat. After that, scroll down, find the option of permissions. Here, tap on location. Make sure that you have tapped on the allow all time option, then head back. Now head over to Snapchat. Now you simply want to swipe right. Keep on doing that until you get the location filter over here. Once you have found it, tap on allow again. And then your location will be added over here. After that, you can simply tap on the stories option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.